Welcome back to the CAD CAM training. Today we will learn how to create a simple 3D model with a reference of an isometric view. There will be a complete series of basic 3D model which will be helpful for the beginners. First we will create a L-shaped profile of the given dimension and then we will extrude it. Later we will create a rectangle on this face and then extrude cut it through all. Let's start. Select the front plane, sketch, and make it normal. Choose the line command, and draw a L-shaped profile with respect to the origin like this. Choose the smart dimension, and the dimension to baseline 30 mm. Then this vertical line 37.5 mm. This line to 10 mm. And this line to 12.5 mm. Press Ctrl+7 for the isometric view. Go to Features, Extrude Boss, and extrude it to 55 mm. Then OK. Now we have to create this rectangle, and extrude cut it through all. Right-click on this face, sketch, and press Ctrl+8 to make it normal. Now select the corner rectangle and draw it like this. Choose the smart dimension, width 12.5 mm. Now select this line and the upper edge of the body, 17.5 mm. Same as this line and this edge of the body, 17.5 mm. OK. Now go to Features, Extrude Cut, and select the Through All. OK. Go to the Appearance, Metal, Steel, and double-click on the polished steel. Now our design is ready.